Everybody needs a place, and this one could be yours. I'm Marcus with Savalio & Co., and today I am here at our newest property. It is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath condo. This unit is located in the Crosscreek Condominium Association, and it is something to take a look at. It's going to need your finishing touches, but it's ready to move into today. Let's take a look. Inside, you've got 2 levels. On the first floor, we've got a wide open living space with plenty of natural light. It winds around to a galley-style kitchen. There's a little area to eat in. It's got a 1-car attached garage just off of the kitchen area, which makes bringing in those groceries a breeze. And at the very back of the kitchen is a half bath and a set of stairs that'll lead you down to the full basement. And upstairs, well, you've got 3 bedrooms and another full bath, meaning you can really spread out in this space. If you've been looking for a place that is as affordable as renting, but that you get to own, this might just be it. Here in the backyard, you've got 2 decks and a little bit of green space and a lot of landscaping. It's right near the creek. We've got room for you to have a patio out here and a lounge chair upstairs. I'm Marcus with Savalio & Co., and if you've been looking for a property that's as affordable as renting, if not even better, give me a call. We'd be happy to show you this place.